to make a muffin, I'm going to start with oil and water. Get the oil in. Now, 2 eggs. Now I need to wash my hands with soap and water. Mommy, turn the cold water in. Now, I am going to put the pancakes are the best. Now I'm not going to do the other one until I do the blueberries. Oopsies. Mommy, blueberries on the wheels. Wasn't enough. Okay. Other one.
Oh, drip it.
I'm going to dry my hands. I'm just going to get them teeny bit wet till they are teeny bit wet. I'm going to close my eyes. Okay, now I have to mix it all up together.
Well, what should we do?
That's good. I'm going to bake my muffins because I can't do it by myself. It's hot, so my mommy have to do it for me. Bye bye. I'm working this off so it can be clean now.